No.
Cheese!
Say something else.
Sausages! You want to meat and a bait?
Yeah.
Like that. Wow.
Action end of the organisation. That's the pains. They're the couple of pains that stopped me fishing. Moving around here. This is where all the baits are made. That's the bait cupboard. And this is
And
all
the
the
car
fishing
cupboard.
here. All my fishing rods and reels. Esther.
Show its number plate.
Where is he? You want to say hello, John?
Hello.
This is Ian's video for his party, which started on 1st of the 12th, 1991. But his party's tomorrow night at McDonald's. Bye. One, two, go! Good lad. Nice one. Don't get dirty. He's in the mud pit. There's Ian. Oh, he's a frog.
You can pack up wasting film. Go and let me car if you want to go, please.
This is some of my work. I made that. Walked down there a few times. There's a Bupa hospital. I thought I might be in there instead of walking down here.
Shush!
Go on in.
What?
Go.
No.
Move.
Don't kick me, I'm going.
You alright then? Hey? Where are you going to fish? We'll have a run back then. Hey? Favourite peg on rykneld this is. No swearing. He's caught. He's been cut down here this year. Fantastic place. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Rykneld. .30 start in this peg. Not the best time of the year to get rykneld at its best. That's the walk. Just there, that's where the biggest carp come. What a lovely place. First time I ever came down here, I saw a fox there. This is a famous walk coming from Rykneld to the car for the home. Just like I say, one of the nicest lakes you could ever fish, and there's one of the nicest women taking the photo. Before we go, thank you Uncle Tone for the memories. I tell you, this is lovely. This is lovely. That is a fantastic view, day or night that is. Yes, I hope I've never got to go in that hospital over there. I think that's the operating theatre, but I'm not going in there. Anyway, Sean's party tomorrow. I love ducks, especially with potatoes. I'm afraid we haven't got any grub for you today, duckies. What a lovely lake. Absolutely fantastic. No duck. Yeah, I don't like you either. Smile, you're on candid camera. I don't know if there's any carp in here. Wouldn't mind having a fish though. It's a big lake. I nearly fell in then. Bottomless ducks are, bottomless. Absolutely bottomless. Yes, I like water. If I can get to fish it. Don't like the looks of that thing. What a lovely place. Wished I lived here. Caught video tech 2.
These are all old things.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Is it? How old was they?
From 1959.
Eh?
1933.
When's your party then? Hey?
Tomorrow.
How old are you?
7.
7? Ooh, lovely.
Have his hair washed tonight.
Yeah.
Come on.
Hey?
This car is disgusting. There's all sweets melted.
Not me.
Well, it's your bloody car.
Well, I don't put the sweets in.
You don't tie it out either.
Too busy videoing you.
There's your leg like a jump fix in here a week. I knew you would have picked it up.
Who? Me? Not near me.
Stupid.
Oi.
Yeah, because they went as well.
No, she's just speaking to me.